The year was 1908. It was a time of great innovation and change, a period when the world was on the cusp of a transportation revolution. William C. Durant, a carriage maker turned automotive visionary, had a dream. He envisioned a future where the horseless carriage would become an essential part of everyday life, transforming the way people moved and connected. He saw the potential of the horseless carriage to revolutionize transportation. Durant believed that these early automobiles were not just novelties but the future of personal and commercial transport.
I founded General Motors, not by building cars from scratch, but by bringing together existing companies. I saw an opportunity to create a powerhouse by uniting the strengths of various automotive pioneers. This strategic approach would define GM's early years and set the stage for its remarkable growth. By consolidating resources and expertise, we could innovate faster and produce better vehicles.
Durant's first acquisition was Buick, a company known for its reliable engines. Buick's reputation for quality and performance made it a perfect cornerstone for Durant's burgeoning empire. He quickly followed this by acquiring Oldsmobile, another rising star in the nascent auto industry. Oldsmobile brought with it a legacy of innovation and a commitment to excellence. Durant was a man always on the move, always looking for the next opportunity. His relentless drive and keen eye for potential made him a formidable force in the automotive world. He understood that to dominate the market, he needed to offer a diverse range of vehicles. From luxury cars to practical trucks, Durant's vision encompassed the full spectrum of automotive needs.
My vision extended beyond just cars. I saw the potential of trucks and commercial vehicles, recognizing their importance in a rapidly industrializing America. These vehicles would become the backbone of commerce and industry. I saw the potential of trucks and commercial vehicles, recognizing their importance in a rapidly industrializing America. These vehicles would become the backbone of commerce and industry, essential for transporting goods and services.
His acquisitions included Rapid Motor Vehicle Company, a pioneer in the truck manufacturing industry. This strategic move allowed GM to tap into the growing demand for commercial vehicles. This move would later prove to be a masterstroke, as GM's trucks became essential tools for businesses across the nation. From small enterprises to large corporations, GM trucks were the workhorses that kept America moving. Durant's relentless pursuit of growth transformed General Motors from a small holding company into a major player in the automotive industry. His vision and leadership were the driving forces behind GM's rapid expansion and success. His ambition knew no bounds, and his leadership laid the foundation for GM's future dominance. Durant's ability to inspire and lead his team was instrumental in turning his vision into reality. The early years of GM were a whirlwind of acquisitions and expansion, a testament to Durant's vision and determination. His relentless drive to innovate and grow set the stage for GM to become a global automotive giant. Durant's appetite for acquisitions continued unabated. His vision for General Motors was not just to create a car company, but to build an empire that would dominate the automotive industry. He saw the value in established brands with loyal customers. Durant understood that these brands brought with them a legacy of trust and reliability, which was invaluable in an industry where reputation meant everything.
In 1911, I added Cadillac to the GM family, acquiring the luxury brand for its reputation for quality and craftsmanship. Cadillac was not just another car brand, it was a symbol of prestige and excellence. Cadillac would become synonymous with American luxury, a symbol of success and aspiration. Owning a Cadillac was a statement, a declaration of one's achievements and status in society.
Not content with just luxury and mass-market brands, Durant also recognized the growing demand for affordable cars. He knew that the future of the automotive industry lay in making cars accessible to the average American family.
In 1918, I brought Chevrolet into the fold, a move that would prove to be one of my most significant. Chevrolet was designed to be the car for the people, offering reliability and affordability. Chevrolet, with its focus on value and practicality, would become GM's flagship brand, appealing to a broad segment of the American public. It was the car that families could depend on, a vehicle that met their everyday needs without breaking the bank.
Durant's strategy was not without its critics. Many industry experts and analysts were skeptical of his aggressive expansion tactics. Some questioned the wisdom of amassing such a diverse portfolio of brands. They argued that managing such a wide array of brands would be a logistical nightmare and could dilute the company's focus. They argued that it would be difficult to manage such a sprawling enterprise. However, Durant was undeterred. He believed in the power of diversification and saw each brand as a unique asset that could cater to different market segments. He believed that each brand had something unique to offer, catering to different tastes and budgets. This approach allowed GM to capture a larger share of the market by offering a car for every type of consumer. By the 1920s, General Motors had become a truly global company. Durant's vision had transformed GM from a national player into an international powerhouse. It had manufacturing plants in Canada and Europe, and its cars were sold around the world. This global presence not only increased GM's market share, but also its influence in the automotive industry. The company's success was built on a foundation of strong brands, innovative engineering, and a keen understanding of the evolving needs of consumers. GM's commitment to innovation ensured that it stayed ahead of the competition. GM's empire was vast, its reach extending to every corner of the globe. The company's ability to adapt to different markets and consumer preferences was a testament to Durant's visionary leadership and strategic acumen. The outbreak of World War II in 1939 presented a new set of challenges and opportunities for General Motors. As the world plunged into conflict, the demand for military vehicles and equipment skyrocketed, and GM found itself at the forefront of this industrial transformation. With the United States' entry into the war in 1941, GM, along with the rest of the American auto industry, shifted its focus to supporting the war effort. This transition was not just a simple change in production lines, it was a complete overhaul of the company's operations, requiring rapid adaptation and innovation. GM became known as the Arsenal of Democracy, converting its factories to produce tanks, airplanes, and other military equipment. This moniker was a testament to the company's pivotal role in ensuring that the Allied forces were well equipped to face the Axis powers. GM's contributions to the war effort were immense. The scale of production was unprecedented, with factories running around the clock to meet the demands of the front lines. Workers, many of whom were women stepping into roles traditionally held by men, showed remarkable dedication and resilience. The company produced over 850,000 trucks for the Allied forces, playing a vital role in transporting troops and supplies. These vehicles were crucial in maintaining the mobility and effectiveness of the Allied armies across various theaters of war. Its factories churned out aircraft engines, guns, and even ammunition. The diversity of GM's production capabilities meant that it could meet a wide range of military needs, from ground transportation to air superiority. GM's engineers worked tirelessly to develop new technologies that would give the Allies an edge in battle. Innovations in engine design, materials science, and manufacturing processes were all part of the company's contributions to the war effort. The war was a time of great sacrifice, but it also fostered a spirit of innovation and collaboration at GM. Employees from different backgrounds and expertise came together with a common goal, leading to breakthroughs that would have lasting impacts. The company's engineers gained invaluable experience working with new materials and technologies. This period of intense research and development laid the groundwork for future advancements in automotive engineering and manufacturing. This expertise would prove to be invaluable in the post-war years, as GM resumed automobile production. The lessons learned and the technologies developed during the war enabled the company to innovate and improve its civilian vehicles, setting new standards in the industry. The war had a profound impact on General Motors, shaping its corporate culture and its technological capabilities. The experience of mobilizing for war instilled a sense of purpose and resilience within the company, which would drive its post-war success. The company emerged from the conflict stronger than ever, poised to play a leading role in the post-war economic boom. GM's ability to adapt and innovate during the war years positioned it as a leader in the automotive industry, ready to meet the demands of a peacetime economy and a rapidly changing world. The post-war years were a time of unprecedented prosperity for the United States, and General Motors was at the forefront of this economic boom. With the return of peace, Americans were eager to purchase new cars, and GM was ready to meet the demand. The company's factories, retooled for civilian production, churned out a steady stream of automobiles. The automobile became a symbol of freedom and prosperity in post-war America, and GM's cars captured the spirit of the times. The company's designers embraced sleek, modern aesthetics, creating cars that were both stylish and functional. GM introduced new technologies, such as automatic transmissions and power steering, making cars more comfortable and easier to drive. The rise of the automobile culture had a profound impact on American society. It fueled the growth of suburbs as families gained the freedom to live further away from city centers. The construction of interstate highways made long-distance travel easier and more convenient, further stimulating demand for automobiles. GM's success in the post-war years cemented its position as the world's largest automaker. The company's cars were ubiquitous on American roads, a testament to their popularity and GM's marketing prowess. However, challenges lay ahead as new competitors emerged and the global economic landscape shifted.